We're in the Gambia, day 2 of our short little Gambia trip. Just want to show you guys this outside, and I'm going to take you around and show you what and how you could be living in the Gambia. This is really nice. Okay, this is the bedroom we stayed in, and they are still waiting for their furniture, so this is a little balcony. Look at this, isn't this nice? So down there is the outdoor kitchen. They've got mango plants, avocado tree. I'm not sure where the avocado tree is. They've got these beautiful winding steps. I have it going down. And so this is the room my brother stayed in. This room is humongous. It has air conditioning in it, and it's a bathroom over there. But I won't show you that because my sister-in-law's in there. Bye. Bye. And this is their upstairs living room. Look at that beautiful chandelier. This room is humongous. It has great airflow. And this is another patio. So look at this. Look at this. This is their courtyard, some kind of gazebo. This is their indoor courtyard.